Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to connect the Pt-100 or TC to PLC S7-300 module SM331 7KF020AB0. Okay, and I will use Simatic Manager and WinCC Flexible to software configuration to CPU 314C2PN/DP. Okay, and here is the previous video that we already learned about how to connect the Pt-100 three sensors to the PLC this module. Yes, and today we will continue to connect one more TC, it means that Thermocouple to the channel number 4. Yes, this one. For channel number 1, number 2 and number 3, we already connected the Pt-100. Yes. So we will add more for TC. Yes. To the channel number 4, and then let create the screen for show the actual temperature also. Okay, so before go to our software, I would like to show and share about how to wiring the TC, yes, to the terminal of PLC S7-300 this module. Okay, so let's go. So for Pt-100 wiring, I already explained in the previous video. So in this section, I just add one more for Thermocouple. Yes, and we will use the terminal 16 for positive and terminal 17 for negative. Okay, and this is a millivolt that detect from the Thermocouple and send the signal to the PLC. Okay, and here is the address PIW26X that we will use for config inside the software. Okay, so we need to wiring, yes, before we config the software. Okay, so let's go to our software to create the block or configuration the hardware. Yes, so let's open the existing project that we already learned in the previous video. Yes, so let's open, and then I will find the project. Yes, the existing project we use Pt-100, so let's open, and first go to hardware and go to the module. Yes, so for address I will keep default, but the input, this is a previous video, so I will change the input number 6 and 7 or channel number 4 to TC. Yes, and then I will use type K for connect from Thermocouple to the terminal of PLC. Okay, so we just change like this. Yes, and then let OK, and then we can save and then download to the PLC. Yes, software configuration is very important. If we select not correct, so we cannot got the raw data from the Thermocouple. Okay, so it's very important. So wait a moment for connecting between our PC to the PLC. Okay, So wait a moment. So right now it detects the CPU, so we can download. Yes. Okay, download successfully. And then let's go to our block. Yes, open the OB1 that we already learned in the previous video. So in this one we can copy from the text. Yeah. And I will insert the new network, and this is a Pt-100, but now I will change to TC or thermocouple for channel number 4. Yes, and basically we can use convert from the integer to the double integer. So integer to di. Yes, so this one should be a PIW 26H. Yes, because hardware configuration we already set this address. Yes, and then I will choose insert one variable called temp. Yes, we can use temp7. Okay, so temp7 is integer to the double integer, right? So we can write dint for double integer, and then here is temp7. Yes, here, and I will use double integer to real, right? Can copy from here, paste, and then I will choose one more for temp8, and it will be real. Yes, for data type. So temp8. Okay, and we will divide by 10, right? So divide real. So temp8 divide by 10.0 and MD 12, right? Okay, and then we can save the project and then download to the PLC, and we can online. Yes, so right now it shows around 26 degrees Celsius. Yeah, for this sensor. Okay, so we can go to the WinCC Flexible to create the screen more. Yes, for show the actual. Okay, so let's open the existing project for WinCC Flexible. Okay, the project is Pt-100. Yes, and then we can go to add the new text, right? So we can go to the text, create the new text. This one for TC one, right? And it is the real, and this automatically created for MD12, the same as the PLC that we already created. So this one thermocouple 1. Okay, thermocouple 1. So here we can copy from here. Yes, drag and drop, just drag and drop, and then we can change this one to Pt-101. Yes, this one should be Pt-100 too in the previous video, right? And this one should be Pt-103, and the last one for TC, right, that we already created, TC1. Okay, I will adjust to be like this. Okay, so we need to configure the text. Yes, so TC, the text that we already just created. Yes, and we can save, and then we can simulation. Yes. Okay. Let's see here. Right now it shows around 25.4 for TC, right? So it's very easy for create the block of the Pt-100 and TC. We just convert from integer to real and then divide by 10. Okay, so we can got the actual temperature, yes, from those sensor. Okay, and in this case, if we take out the one cable, I mean that when we take out the one core of thermocouple, it will show maximum. Okay, so if everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I'm also sorry if I have mistake in this video also. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.